Here the question is, which structural unit present in a detergent makes it non-biodegradable? The structural unit in a detergent that makes it non-biodegradable is the branched alkyl chain in the hydrophobic tail of the detergent molecule. The non-biodegradable detergent often contains the branched alkyl groups in their hydrophobic tail, and these branched chains are resistant to microbial degradation because most bacteria and microorganisms cannot easily break down the complex branched structures. This results in the detergent persisting in the environment for a long time. In contrast, the detergents with linear alkyl chains are more easily biodegraded by the bacteria, as the enzymes can break down these simpler structures more effectively. Therefore, linear alkyl benzene sulfonates are considered more biodegradable compared to their branched counterparts, such as the previously common branched alkyl benzene sulfonates. The use of detergents with branched alkyl chains led to the environmental issues such as water pollution and foaming in rivers and lakes. But still, we need to use them for our daily purpose. So the structural unit is branched alkyl chain.